Do you know in winters aquatic plants go dormant and they need special care to survive the winters? So today we'll discuss 3 tips to save your aquatic plant Pistia in winters. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So today I'm here to discuss few tips on how to save your aquatic plant Pistia, water lettuce or water cabbage in winters. So aquatic plants go dormant during winters. So it's really important to take extra precaution, to take extra care of these plants so that they survive throughout winters. Alright, so let's discuss the tips how you can save your Pistia throughout the winters. So this is how Pistia or water lettuce looks in winter, yellow and dull. And if you won't care them properly, slowly they'll start rotting down and by the end of winters you'll end up losing all the plants. So here comes the very first step to save your plant in winters. Keep your plant in full sunlight anywhere, be it terrace garden, balcony, but make sure it gets maximum sunlight. Keeping it in full sunlight will help it survive winters. It won't die completely if it gets sufficient direct sunlight. However, if you keep them in complete shade, they'll turn into yellow color and they'll start rotting down. Eventually, none of your plants will survive. So make sure all your water cabbage or water lettuce or Pistia plants get full direct sunlight throughout the winters. Now coming to the second and very important tip. Make sure to remove all the rotten, dry, dead, yellow leaves or plants from the pond, because leaving them as it is will only cause fungal infection to other plants as well. So keeping your pond clean is really important by removing all such yellow, dry or dead leaves or plants. Now coming to the third and really important tip, which is cleaning and changing the water of aquatic plants regularly. It has 2 benefits. First is changing water on regular basis will prevent mosquito breeding in the pond. And the second thing is, if water is clean, there will be no algae growth which can hamper plants growth. That means no algae formation, and clean water will only promote plants healthy growth. So change your pond's water on regular basis. So these tips are applicable not just for water lettuce plants, but you can save all your aquatic plants by following these tips. Believe me, these are really effective tips, and if you could save few water lettuce plants also this winter, then by the spring season, which is February or March, all these plants will start showing new growth and they'll continue multiplying in the pond, making it fuller. So these are the amazing tips by which I save all my aquatic plants in winters. So in case if I missed any tip, do let me know through the comment. I would love to hear from you. That's all for today, guys. See you. Bye-bye.